times more valuable. When I sacrifice blood for you, I sacrifice blood. Write this shit in your notebook, baby, since you never wrote love letters to me, to me. Don't forget all the things I've taught you. You'll need it for someone who isn't me, ain't me. What's the point in your I love yous when they don't hold any weight? You touch your computer much more than you have ever touched me. Every night you come back home, then you just go